Now, we recently saw the first renders of the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. And now we have a new set of realistic renders posted by Let's Go Digital. Quite a famous one. Now, if you look at the design of the Pixel 7 Pro, it's hardly any different from the current gen Pixel 6 Pro. Aside from a slightly different camera bar, which melts into the frame and has a camera outline, that's it. The Pixel 7 Pro is expected to feature 6.7-inch or 6.8-inch curved OLED display, almost similar to the Pixel 6 Pro. And it will most definitely feature Quad HD Plus resolution and adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. Hopefully LTPO 2.0 panel. Now, as for the chipset, it will offer the new generation Tensor chip from Google, which according to a recent rumor will offer Exynos modem again. So I can guess that it will be manufactured by Samsung, but it's just a guess. Over time, more news will clarify everything, so subscribe for that. From all these renders, it is pretty much clear that despite having an insanely buggy under-display fingerprint sensor experience by the Pixel 6 users, Google will not use any physical fingerprint scanner. And that means Google will once again equip its flagship line with in-display fingerprint reader, but hopefully not buggy. The Pixel 6 and 6 Pro were introduced on 19th of October and released on 25th of that month. So you can expect almost similar timeline for the Pixel 7 series. Now, if you're not looking for a Google flagship phone, but rather a mid-ranger, then here's another news. Now, Google's Pixel Watch is expected to release very soon. According to a new report by Android Police, that is already listed in the US carrier's inventory system. And not so surprisingly, the mid-ranger Pixel 6a is also listed, which means that these two might come real soon. Now let's talk about the watch a little bit, then I will come back to the 6a. Now we can see the wearable is round and it looks good. It has not so much of bezels thanks to these leaks, and it will also probably run a Wear OS, the platform that Google and Samsung jointly developed, which you can see on the Galaxy Watch 4 with Samsung made skin on top. But yeah. Now, if you don't know, Google's smartwatch ambition go as far back as 2016, and don't think the Pixel Watch will be a Fitbit branded device, by the way. Even though it might feature some of the Fitbit features, but yeah, it will not. But it will still be a really interesting device from Google. Now let's talk about the Pixel 6a. Well, it will feature 6.2-inch 1080p 60Hz display. Yeah, that's 60Hz. Now Google's Tensor processor, so it will be identical in terms of performance with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. 6GB or 8GB RAM option, 128GB of base storage option, 4800 mAh battery, which may look good, but I am a little skeptical because 4800 mAh battery on a 6.2-inch phone when Pixel 6 Pro with a 6.7-inch screen only has 5000 mAh battery, so just consider that. Now it will also offer 30-watt fast charging support, 12.2 megapixel main Sony IMX363 sensor, and 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera Sony IMX386 sensor, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. As for the dimensions, it will be 152.2 mm tall, 71.8 mm wide, and 8.7 mm thick. So now I calculate the 4800 mAh battery. I guess it's gonna be like 4300, 4500. That's my guess. So yeah, thank you for listening to me this long. I appreciate that. And yeah, my latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.